So then guys, fuel pump's done, it's all fitted, runs perfectly. It's time to get cracking with the build. I'm going to get the front end off, I'm going to label up all of the plugs and the connections so I know where they go when they have to be moved or go back to their original home. And yeah, let's start this build. So here's a quick question for you guys. Do you like the time lapse or do you prefer me to update you as I've done stuff? I wanted to show what's involved in doing this process. But if you guys don't like the time lapse or prefer me just to update you as I go, then let me know down in the comments and I may change stuff as we go. So guys, finishing up for today, managed to get the exhaust unbolted from the head and everything, you know, inlet manifold and everything off. So next job will be taking the head off, cleaning up, put the spacer in, bolt it back down and get all the kit fitted. And there we have it. Chain looks nice and new. It did have a chain done about 5,000 miles ago, maybe a little bit more, 6,000 miles. And it looks good actually. Guide looks nice and clean. No horrible surprises. So as you can see guys, everything seems to be in good order. Don't see any issues here. Everything's darker than I'd like, but other than that, everything's good. So to get the cam cover off, you need to remove the air injection stuff there, the bolts along the top. So it's a 32mm spanner.
And there's the head off. So we're just going to remove the secondary air injection pump. So to remove it, you have 10mm bolts, 4 of them around here, but this one, it looks like it had broken in the past. So they snapped off basically, nice and easily. See, 1, 2, 3, so 3 bolts, and they've all been epoxied on at some point. So just going to remove that up there, and then just sort of cable tie this somewhere. So I'm also going to remove the bracket as well if I can. Should be able to. And that should give me some access and some room for other bits. So guys, just going to clean the head up a bit. I've got some engine degreaser.
Perfect.
So that's pretty much done now. I'm going to give it a final go over just before we fit it to make sure that I haven't missed anything. There's a couple of little bits that might need to be addressed, but other than that, it looks all good to me. Right, to get these head studs out, I've got a set of new ones coming, so I've just got to get the old ones out, the ones that didn't come out with the bolts. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting them on there, and then just bring it back basically, and it seems to pop out like that. And then put a vise around, that bit there, then just drill it out with the impact gun. Seems to work fine. You can do sort of a 2-bolt method where you sort of bolt 2 bolts together, clamp them together, and then you can undo it. But I found that just using the impact gun works really well. So that's them all out now. Just need to get the new ones. They should be here today, but get the new ones in there. Thank you for tuning in, guys. We've got the engine stripped down. Next episode will be putting the head back on, fitting in some of the goodies, like the injectors and the inlet manifold, etc. So stay tuned for the next episode. It won't be long before it'll be out. And yeah, thank you for your support. Thank you for all the subscribers. If you want to know anything, leave a comment in the description. Give me a thumbs up so that I know that I'm doing well and you're liking my videos. And catch you on the next one.